What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back to the hugest location in my area. I just left Aldi, which is super new and nice. It's right next door. I just filmed so many videos for you guys in there. Definitely run out and check out your Aldi Finds aisle if you haven't recently, because it is out of control, crazy. The clearance is just, trust me, you guys want to check it out. But look what I'm finding right away, you guys. I'm finding lots of Ioni lashes. Just in case you guys haven't seen this collection yet, I wanted to share it with you. I know we have so many Ioni mink lash fans out there, and I just wanted to remind you guys that the Ioni lashes are here. We just have so many to choose from. And then down here, we even have the brand new Wicked collection. This is gonna be the collection for Halloween. It's June, and you guys know what that means. It's time for another Dossier unboxing. What did I get this month? I'm about to open these up and show you guys. Oh, I love them both so much. So the first one is Ambery Saffron. This one is inspired by Baccarat Rouge 540. Yes, you guys, this is a dupe for the super expensive perfume, and I really love it. It's super powdery. It has, let's see, the top notes of saffron, orange blossom, not orange and blossom, but orange blossom, the middle notes of jasmine, plum, and cedarwood, and the base notes of oak moss, fir, balsam, and amber. I know you guys have heard a lot about this one. I can't wait to use this one. It smells really pretty. And then the next one, okay, you guys, I can't wait to share this one with you. The next one is a dupe for Louis Vuitton. I actually thought this was a woman's scent, but it is a men's scent. Or you know what? I really think it could be unisex. This is Aromatic Ginger. It smells so luxurious. The top notes are ginger, grapefruit, and marine notes. The middle notes are clary sage, rosemary, and geranium. And then the base notes are amberwood and cyst. Yeah, we're gonna leave that last one out because I have no idea how to say that. No need to wish and wait and hope to get that special perfume or cologne anymore. No need to like spend hundreds and save hundreds. Just go ahead and get all of your fragrances with Dossier and make all of your fragrance wishes come true. You guys are gonna love Dossier. Also, I wanted to mention to you guys that there's a brand new payment method called Catch. And if you sign up, you can get a $10 credit on your first purchase, as well as saving 10% on every Dossier purchase. So consider signing up for Catch and save a little bit of money and get those perfumes that you want. So yeah, you guys, these are the two I picked out for the month of June. Aromatic Ginger and Ambery Saffron, again, dupes for Louis Vuitton and Baccarat Rouge 540. Both are originally very expensive scents, but I was happy to get them from Dossier and they smell amazing. Thanks for checking out my monthly Dossier haul. Now back to the video. Yes, you guys, we have some Halloween items here already. This is the Halloween variety from Ioni in Nice and Early. We have Wicked, Conjure, we have Salem, we have Hex, we have Magic, and yes, this is for Halloween 2022. This is not from last year. We have Amulet, we have Love Spell, we have Celestial, we have Potion, we have Blood Moon. Again, these are the brand new lashes for the Halloween 2022, Fall 2022 collection, and they are here already from Ioni here at Dollar Tree. So if you're a huge Ioni fan, definitely run out and see what you guys can find. I love coming to this location because they usually have so much makeup. As you guys can see, it's like really well stocked. Now, I'm not sure if this location has a lot of the new polishes that we were seeing in the Doll relocation. You guys know the ones I'm talking about. I don't see them here, and I can't remember the name of them. Let me know down in the comments if you guys remember the ones I'm talking about. But this has been one of the only locations that has the Sally Hansen Big Crackle top coat. Those were super trending in like the early 2000s, if you guys remember. And now they're back. Oh, China Glaze, of course. China Glaze is the brand I was thinking of. And these go for $7.89 everywhere else. $7.89 or more, depending upon the color. We have a lot of pretty colors here. Some metallics. We have some more like neutral shades. I'm actually seeing different colors here than in the Dossier location. This has shimmers in all different colors. This is more of a gray blue with a little bit of a shimmer. We have this pinky color. I really like this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look what I just found. Look what I just found. Fuzzy coat. I have to get this. I just found Fuzzy Coat by Sally Hansen. You guys know I love this sort of polish. I love glitters. Look at this one, is called Gem Crush. Gem Crush. Ooh, what else do we have? Salon, Complete Salon Manicure. Hard as Nails. That's a green. Sort of a caramel color. What do you guys say? Caramel or caramel? A pretty blue. A green. Oh my gosh, I love this bright blue. We have another Fuzzy Coat. Fuzzy Coat. That's such a funny name for a nail polish. Fuzzy Coat. I wonder if we have any other Fuzzy Coat colors. That one's called Wool Light. And then the one I grabbed is Wool Knot. So it's supposed to look very fuzzy. Let's turn it around. I'm definitely getting that. And then we have this one here. Excuse me. Okay, you guys. And then we have this one. And this one has a bunch of little pieces in it. I think I'm going to pass on that one. Is this different? Oh my gosh. I found a really pretty Gem Crush. Ooh, I like this one. I like that one. And then I really like Fuzzy Coat. Oh my gosh, you guys. Just finding so many good items. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. This is a Maybelline lip color palette. Isn't that pretty? We have another Gem Crush. Ooh, Gem Crush. Super pretty. Look at this one, you guys. This one is also Sally Hansen, kind of a bronzy. Wow, what else do we have? Okay, I'm really happy right now. Super happy to be finding all of these. And I hope you guys find these too, because these are such a great deal to find here at Dollar Tree. Sally Hansen is definitely one of my favorite brands. I have like 3 or 4 brands that I really like. And Sally Hansen is definitely one of them. That's my wipe I brought in, you guys. Wow. Wow. And then this as well. Okay. Yes, you guys. And I do love blue. So those are the ones that I'm going to hold in my cart right now. It's just been like the perfect afternoon so far. Seriously. I cannot believe the amazing items that are in Aldi. Like, seriously. Nail polish applicator? What? Like, do we really need a big, huge thingy? Maybe. A big, huge holder? Like, this is kind of heavy. I'm sure if maybe you have arthritis in your hands, or maybe you have some complications or disabilities with your hands, maybe holding little things is not convenient for you. And if that's the case, they do have this large nail polish applicator. Wow. You guys know I love nail polish, so I'm super happy that we have all of those new items here. All of the NYX items are still here as well. The Love Out Loud liquid lipsticks, the jumbo lip pencils, but I would suggest passing because I couldn't get the lids off of any of mine. And I know a lot of you had that same issue as well. The soft matte cream lips. We have the Vivid Matte by Maybelline, a few shades. We have Twisted Tulip, Smoky Rose. We have Rebel Red. Just a few. And then these are still here as well. The multi-use foundation sticks from Maybelline. The Color Sensational lipsticks are still here, also from Maybelline. LED lighted tweezers. Amazing ear lifters. What does that mean? Ear lifters? Ear lifters helps with bad piercings, stretched lobes, and heavy earrings. Okay. Firmly secures and supports your earrings. That is definitely a first. We have lots of sheet masks. My suggestion for earlobes that may be stretched out, or, you know, situation like that, would be just stop wearing your earrings unless you're going out. Every time you're home, take your earrings out. If you're wearing heavy earrings, take them out and only wear them when you go out. What's this? Watermelon and lemon soda. Watermelon and lemon soda, you guys, by Crystal Waters. I'm going to put that in my cart for now, so when I go live, I can show you guys some of these new items. Lip sugar scrub, sleeping lip mask. Tons of global beauty care items here. We have the vitamin C plus vitamin C 1%. I believe Dr. Dre, the dermatologist, just recently did a video on that. We have micellar water here. Mega Moisture Hair Mask. Tea tree oil and salicylic acid balancing face wash. This store is always super well packed. They're just loaded with the deodorants. We have Secret, we have Lady Speed Stick, we have Old Spice. The brand new Barbasols are here. I know you guys have been seeing the commercials for Jurassic World. These are the limited edition Jurassic World Barbasol cans. And they're here. But you only get, how many ounces? 5 ounces? I don't know. This is also 5 ounces. It could be. I was wondering where I was going to see those first, and they are here. We have even more of the Ioni lashes here. Wow, you guys, this video has ended up being a pretty long video. I'm gonna head on to the very next one, you guys. I have a lot to share with you in here today. We just have so many new items, you guys. Hydramate hydration support. We get 2 in a box here. Electrolyte drink mix. Some of these can be very expensive. There's a couple brands that I've been seeing and they are super expensive. You guys, we even have the Vaselines in here. This is the first time I've seen them in any other store besides Dollry. But yeah, you guys, come back to my very next video because I have a lot of new items to share with you guys and I can't wait to head to the next aisle. So all right, you guys, I'll see you in the next one. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that little button and subscribe. Bye, guys.